What is HTML? HTML is a component of the web. From our previous topic of Internet and Web Fundamentals, we learned that World Wide Web is an interconnected system of public web pages accessible through the Internet. These web pages and documents are interconnected by means of hyperlinks that users click on for information. This information can be in different formats, including text, images, and audio content. Check on the video description below for that video on World Wide Web. We learned that World Wide Web has 4 components, which are HTTP, URL, hyperlink, and HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a markup language that tells web browsers how to structure the web pages you visit. HTML consists of a series of elements which you use to enclose, wrap, or mark up different parts of the content to make it appear or act in a certain way. The enclosing tags can make content into a hyperlink to connect to another page, italicize words, and so on. Good people, a markup language uses tags to define elements within a document. It is human readable, meaning that markup files contain standard words rather than typical programming syntax. For example, paragraph is denoted by letter P, heading by letter H, and division denoted by div element. While several markup languages exist, the two most popular are HTML and XML.